Well, look, we've got an extra person. You see him over there? He's sunning himself on the rocks, the little baby lizard.
Is that another one?
Yeah, that is.
There he is, yeah. Yep, now he's gone.
Poof, he's disappeared.
Dun, dun, dun.
And Dylan and little Benjamin. Say hi, Benjamin. Hello, big guy.
Is my head in the way?
Yes, your big head.
He's always in the way.
And I videotaped that whole thing. I think I just shivered.
Earthquake.
Good Lord. I'm fine.
I don't care if it's like that, Cher. Someone felt that in Chicago.
Like, oh, Brad. Oh, Brad.
I'm like, Dad!
My cane saved me somehow. Strangely enough, it's now upside down.
Do we watch that? I don't know.
The sad part is I had it on telephoto, so all it's going to do is show the sky. Well, I need to go get some baby wipes and find a tree. I'll be back later.
Let me see it.
No, I'm going to...